Before moving on to make other edits, I want to interject with something to think about as you edit your videos. A question that a lot of people ask about is how long should their video be? This is a question that takes understanding the context, the goal, and audience to really answer. Ultimately, the best length of any video is as long as it needs to be to share the information, but as short as possible. This means you could create a successful video that is only 60 seconds or less. However, if you have complex material, you may find that a 7-minute video or longer can be equally as effective. To make sure you create a video that fulfills its purpose, let me provide you with some other helpful guides when you're editing. Regardless of your topic or your message, it's essential that viewers can follow along with the video that you're making. If it's going too fast, they won't understand and will have to watch it again, which they might resent. Or if you go too slow, you might lose viewers' attention to other tasks. As you edit, make sure you're thinking about the pace of the video. It's better to add a little length than to lose your viewer, and there are very few outlets that require a specific length. What's more important is to meet your audience's need, creating a video that is relevant to them and will help them successfully understand your message. For ultimate pacing control, you may need to have the narrator speak more slowly or introduce more pauses into the script. Pacing also happens with on-screen action. Watch out for steps or cursor movements that go too quickly or in rapid succession. There are other pacing considerations. For instance, if you are talking about a point for a long time, but not showing anything specific on the screen, this can detract from your video. You'll want to keep things moving on the screen and with your visuals when you can. Ultimately, if you find that any one shot is on screen too long, do the best you can to keep the user interested without distracting from your goal. In the next video, I'll provide options on how to take the clips and get the video and the narration to match and be paced appropriately.